This is a rocket stove. It's used for cooking, and it runs on very little fuel in the form of wood. You can boil...
Or even cardboard.
Or even cardboard. In some parts of Southeast Asia, they cook their food entirely on cardboard using a device very similar to this one. And this is an example of fuel we'll be using to cook our breakfast this morning.
Wow, look how fast that works.
That's amazing. I think it's big kind of thing. That's a propane single burner.
Yeah, and this can, replace, a gas stove or...
And you can use it inside if you have a hearth, just stick it in your fireplace and...
Yeah, we've been doing that. You have a big enough fireplace.
We use it a lot to heat up like a hot water bottle at night, before bed or...